Thank you, everybody. Let's join us and Mr. Azam Ghani in sharing his concluding thoughts, key takeaways from the event, and expresses his gratitude to all participants, partners, and speakers. Welcome.
Thank you so much. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. As we draw the curtains on what has been an extraordinary edition of the World Lawyers Forum Litigation Summit 2025, I stand before you with immense pride and heartfelt gratitude. Over the past 2 days, we have shared knowledge, challenged assumptions, explored groundbreaking ideas, and build connections that I believe will last beyond this summit. I personally enjoyed many connections I made. We have listened to distinguished voices from across the globe, voices that reminded us why we chose this profession in the first place: to seek justice, to defend who is right, and to continuously evolve in service of our communities and clients. We have explored emerging technologies, redefined global enforcement strategies, debated cross-border legal challenges, and discussed the future of litigation in a rapidly shifting world. But more importantly, we have come together as a community committed to excellence, integrity, and innovation. To our incredible speakers, thank you for your time, your insights, and your passion. To our attendees, thank you for your energy, your engagement, and your trust in the World Lawyers Forum. Thank you for the attendees as well. To our sponsors and partners, your support made this summit possible. Thank you. And to our organizing team, your behind-the-scene efforts brought this vision to life seamlessly. Thank you. Thanks to our team as well. And being here in Bahrain, a country known for its spirit of progress and diplomacy, made this summit all the more special. This nation reminds us that tradition and transformation can coexist. And that's exactly what the legal world needs today. And I thank especially the Bahrain Tourism Exhibition Authority, together with our Win Legal team, in collaborating with the Bahrain Authority. Thank you, Win Legal team. As we leave this beautiful venue and return to our practices, our firms, and our countries, I encourage you to carry forward not just the learnings, but the relationships, the inspiration, and the responsibility to lead the legal profession into the next chapter. Let's not wait another year to create impact. Let's start now together. Thank you once again for being the part of WLF Litigation Summit 2025. I wish you all safe travels, continued success, and a future filled with meaningful victories, both inside and outside the courtroom. Goodbye, and see you in the next World Lawyers Forum in Europe or the UAE. Take care.